Now, so I'm back and I'm going to demo the game now. So let me start it first. So this is my game. I called it the Text Castle game, and as you can see, it has the login system, so I can create new login, or quit. I want to create new login. I have some already created, but you can see how it's working. So it asks you enter the username, and I entered the password. And then login added, please use it to log in into game. So I'm now going to login, enter username, enter password. So it's correct. Starting the game. Welcome to the load menu. Now I can load game from save, start game in quit. Now what happens if I want to load game from save and I don't have any save? No save on this account, please start new game. So it doesn't let you start without the save. So you have to start a new game. And it tells you welcome adventurer into land of kings, castles, monsters, items and text, of course. Text will guide you throughout the harsh land of Vulcan type continent, so you better read what is written on your screen. Around the map, it's many castles with keys inside. Your mission is to collect at least 3 keys to be able to build your own castle, so good luck, and then you can kill the boss, of course. It will print out that for you. So I just enter my character's name. Now I have 20 points to distribute between strength, agility and health. Non-distributed points are lost, so I better distribute all of them. So how much strength I want? I want, for example, 10 strength, 1 agility, 9 health. That gives me stats. There is the basic stats of 10 strength and agility and 100 health. So if I added my 20 distribution points, I ended up with 20 strength, 11 agility, 280 health. So this one is the current health and this one is the max health you can have. Now I have experience 0. I started on map field X and Y 0 0. I could change this really easy, and I show you in the code where would I change it if I want to just keep the random position. But for the demo of the game, for me it's easier if I start at 0 0 and I know where the castles are, so it's easier for me to orientate and show you what I want to show you here. So as you can see, I'm on 0 0 and I can see the buildings here, and the building name is Castle Lavina. There is the description. Now the objects on the floor are sword and ranger sword. It shows you what bonuses the objects gives you, and then 3 enemies. Now I can type help to show the available commands, and I can go, fight, use keys, rest, equip, unequip, visit, pick, drop, show inventory, look around, exit game, save game. And also it will show you how long does it take a parser to parse the function. So this one, for example, took 11 milliseconds. If I typed help and it goes into parser, parse the help, okay, there is the available thing for a help, and then it prints on the screen. It took 11 milliseconds. So for example, I want to pick the sword, and I also refresh the screen that I don't have a massive printouts. It's just for a pickups and drops. I can also disable this. It's just one line of a code. So I pick it up. As you can see, there is no more sword on the floor. I can show my inventory. It took 113 milliseconds to pick one object because it had to go and loop through all of the available options, so it takes a little bit longer. Now I have inventory. As you can see, I have object sword in my inventory. Now I can go pick the ranger sword. As you can see, it's not on the floor anymore. Now I go and show you the inventory, and I want to equip the items to get the bonuses from those. So I go equip the sword. Okay, and show the inventory. That took only 2 milliseconds, for example. So I show the inventory. As you can see there, it's equipped, my sword, and I got the bonuses. My health changed, my strength and agility changed, and now I go equip the ranger sword. I show it again, it's equipped as well, and maximum number of equipped items is 2. So if I want to equip something else, I show you that in a second. It will tell me that I cannot. Now if I want to, I can go, and I want to, for example, visit the building and take the key, but I cannot because I have to defeat the enemy. So if I type fight, it automatically start fight with the enemies it started one by one, so I didn't bother by writing the enemy's name, because if you write fight, you want to fight enemy definitely. So you can type 1 to buff your strength, or any number to buff agility. So I type 1, I want to buff my strength, and you can see I hit the enemy for 48 damage and I got hit by for 13 damage. I show you the calculations behind the fight and all that stuff. So as you can see, there was a critical strike, you hit the enemy for 41 damage, and then you got hit by the enemy for 26 damage, and the enemy got critical strike. Now I again hit the enemy, I killed the pirate captain, fight simulation ended. So this took 39,000 milliseconds, so it's 39 seconds, but it's because it'll go into the loop and wait for your input, so this one is just not really accurate. Now if I want to fight another one, I just fight really fast through all of them, and also, as you can see here, I leveled up. And if I can show my player, I'm level 2 now, got bonus health, 100 more bonus health, and my experience were put back to 0, and I'm starting level 2. Now I go fight again, and killed a big orc. I can show you really fast again that my experience got 124 kill in the orc. Now I can visit the building that is there. I visited the building and I got the key from the building, and I can show you the inventory, and I have a key in my inventory. I put that it gives you 0 strength, agility, and max health that you can still equip it, but it's not beneficial to you. So now I wanna go north. Now, for example, I am at 0, 0, so I cannot go more south. So if I write go south, it tells me that I'm at map boundary and I cannot go more south. So I want to go north, and as you can see, there is a shield on the floor, so I pick up the shield. I picked up the shield. Now I can show you my inventory, as you can see, and I have a shield in my inventory. Now I want to equip the shield. And it tells me that I am you cannot equip more items, unequip some in order to change them. So I'm on a full capacity of equipped items. So for example, I unequip the sword and I want to equip the shield, and I show you again that I have a shield is equipped and a sword is unequipped. My stats changed accordingly, so whatever I unequip, it automatically gets rid of the bonuses. Now if I want to drop the sword, as you can see, sword appeared on the floor, and if I save the game now, save is automatically if I exit, or I can type save, it tells me that the game was saved, or if I exit, the game exits and saves automatically. You can see that it has exited with code 0, no memory leaks, no nothing. So if I run it again, now I want to log in. That was my login password, start from save, and as you can see, the sword appears on the floor, and I show you my inventory that I have equipped items and the key is there, so everything is saved. Everything is saved as it should. Now I want to get another key, so I go fight the thing really fast, run through it. Okay, I killed it. Now I can visit the building and get the key. Also, if I want to visit it again and cheat, that it gives me keys, so I want to visit the building again, there is no more key in the building, so it knows that every building has only one key. I want to go north again. There is another castle, Corvinus. There is the description. There's a castle, Corvinus grew in the richest province. The province's wealthy king made it into beautiful building with golden statues and towers. And there is a staff on the floor, so I can pick it up if I want. And I can check the inventory for which ones are the best items for me, and then I can equip them. Also, I can visit the building and get the last key. So I get the last key from a building. I show you my inventory again. I can see that I have 3 keys, and it says when I have 3 keys, I can build my own castles from them. So I want to build a castle, so I go use the keys, and it tells me you can create your own building, and now it tells me enter your building descriptions. Okay, so my description will be my super Lucas Castle, and the name will be. Now it tells me that I created my own building. It tells me where it's located. The location is random, so I put the location to be random in the map. Of course, you can change it to put it at the current location you stand, or everything is adjustable. And now it tells me that boss spawned at position 2 in X and 1 in Y coordinates. And again, I use the random numbers there. So now it tells me kill him, take his cape, which will make you the most powerful warrior on the map. So I want to do that. So first I want to show you that if I go to my building, which is located at 2-1, and the boss is located at the boss is located at 2-1 and the building is located at 0-1. So if I want to go to 0-1 and check my building, I can do that. So I go south, I'm on 0-1, and as you can see, there is the building name Lucas Castle, description my super Lucas Castle. And if I want to visit my building, I can tell it tells you that there is no key in any of these buildings because my building doesn't give me a key. Now I want to go and check the boss, which was located at 2-1, so I go there. So I go east, I think, yeah, go east twice, and as you can see, there is some items on this map field, and there is the boss that spawned and wasn't there before. Now also I can save the game here, or I show you that if I exit it, it saves automatically. Now if I really fast load it again, login, now load the game, and as you can see, I'm there, Vampire King is there and everything, but as you can see, he has really high stats, so I would need to level up to kill him a little bit because there is 10 levels in the game. But I show you what happens if I die. So first I show you that I have inventory and there is 3 items in it. Now I'm going to fight with him and I'm going to attack him, and as you can see, he critical strike on me and he killed me, and it says that you are dead, respawning at random position, setting current experience to 50% and dropping random items. So I can show you here that I have only 2 items now. I dropped 1 item which was I dropped the shield. It was equipped, and as you can see, everything changed. Even if it was equipped, it unequipped it automatically deduced the stats. What happened now? I respawn in a random position. I look around. Where am I? I'm in 0-2. I want to get back to the boss, so it's 2-1. So I go to 2-1 again. As you can see, the boss is back here, but it remembered that I already damaged him a little bit, so his health went down from 1200 to 1030. So if I would really want to, I can just continually die and kill him slowly. And also, as you can see, the shield is on the floor here, the one that I dropped, and I can pick it up again and equip it if I want again. If I kill the boss, he drops the item. So I show you that in a little bit adjusted demo because I adjust my strength. So if I want, I can start the game for the testing purposes and show you how it works. Start new game with populate real fast. Now I go visit this building to get the key, go north, visit the building, get the key, go north, visit the building, use the keys, enter any description, name, and a boss pound. As you can see, the coordinates are different on my building. 3-4 and 3-1, boss pound at position 3-1. So I go there, go east, go east is 3-2, go south is 3-1, the boss is here. I go fight the boss, and because I have 1000 strength here, I killed him. I leveled up automatically, and as you can see, the enemy dropped an object. Now I look around and I can see that the King's Cape dropped out of the enemy because the enemy had the object, so I added this functionality into game. And this is the most powerful item in the game. So when you kill the boss, make your own castle and get this item, you will be the most powerful king in the province basically. So I think so that would be the demo of the game, and in next part I will walk you through the code behind the game.